Yeah, exactly. And the NDA would hope that this time there's no surprise because the 5 seats we are talking about in Bihar in this particular phase, all were actually won by BJP or NDA in 2019. So they are hoping to retain that number. And there are very high-profile candidates in fray. We are standing at Begusara at one of the polling stations. Giriraj Singh is contesting from here. Then you have Munger, where Lalan Singh, the former national president of JDU, is there. And then you have Nityanand Rai from Ujarpur. You can see the long queue here at the polling stations, and very soothing images coming from here because we can see these long queues at most of the polling stations, and especially the women folks, they are coming out in large numbers. So we are hoping that this time the weather is actually in a supporting mode. So we are hoping that this time the numbers, the percentage would go high as far as the voting percentage is concerned, because in the first two phases we have seen that because of the weather the polling percentage were quite low. मैम ये बताइए, मैं आपसे बात कर रहा था, मैम ये बताइए कि जब आप वोट देती हैं तो क्या आप सोच के वोट देती हैं, मुद्दा क्या होता है आपका?
मुद्दा होता है अब हम लोग को तो गए आगे, भविष्य के देश कम से कम बचा रहे, भविष्य बचे रहे, इसीलिए हम वोट दे रहे हैं। अपना कोई स्वार्थ नहीं, कोई स्वार्थ। जब कहीं नहीं मिलता है शरण तो महादेव के पास जाता है, कहीं शरण है कम से कम मोदी देश को तो बचा कर रख रहा है ना
जी। आप किसको वोट दे रही हैं वो मैं जानना नहीं चाहता, लेकिन आप क्या सोच के वोट देती हैं? So they are talking about as you heard, it's the development plan which the voters usually talk about, but unfortunately in a state like Bihar, the voting actually happens on the basis of the caste. So that's the real harsh reality of the government.
And candidates have also been fielded, Vedant, with the caste dynamic as key, especially in these 5 states.